Thank you, Mr. Jonas. Could you please tell us more about your work and some prospects that are currently ongoing in your field?
Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity. I'm Dr. Jonas Osei-Adu from CORAF, and CORAF is actually an association of all research institutions in West and Central Africa with our head office in Dakar, Senegal. So we actually support research, as I did mention, in terms of developing innovative technologies, and then we also skill the technology that has been developed. We also do a bit on regulation in terms of coming out with regional policies, and then we build a lot of capacity, both at graduate level and then non-degree awarding, capacity building. So what we basically do at CORAF is to actually mobilize resources and then work with national organizations to be able to develop technology and scale same.
Thank you so much. We heard of your presentation earlier where you presented on adoption of agricultural technologies. Can you briefly tell us some of the technologies that CORAF is scaling and how these scaling initiatives are faring?
Okay, thank you very much. So one of the key things that we are doing at CORAF is to scale climate-smart agricultural technologies. We all know that climate change is now a global issue. So what CORAF does is to work with its national partners as well as CGR centers to develop drought-tolerant varieties and then make sure that farmers can have access. We are also heavy on production practices that can actually improve productivity of farmers. We do some research as far as women and youth empowerment is also concerned, how we can make sure that we can create jobs from the research that is being done at the various levels. We do a bit of risk management in terms of reducing agricultural risk, where we promote something like crop insurance, among other things. So CORAF actually work on all the value chains as far as agriculture is concerned. For example, when it comes to processing, we are helping to promote the use of cassava as a substitute for wheat. So if you go to the example Ghana, we have the biofortified cassava flour, which is used for the bakery industry. We also do some work on maize, where we process maize into flour. We work on poultry, we work on livestock. So what CORAF has done is to establish what we call centers of excellence on various commodities. So we have center of excellence for root and tuber in Ghana. We have center of excellence for livestock in Niger, and then we have biorisk in Togo, among other things.
Could you please tell us about your experience so far, TropenTag2025, and then if we can know how it also interfaces with all the things you are doing as you have shared with us?
Okay, so I think TropenTag2025 was a great opportunity for us at CORAF to actually show to the world the good things that we're doing. As you know, the conference actually brings together different stakeholders from different countries, and we are very grateful for the opportunity to let the world know that Africa is capable of feeding itself if we are able to promote the technology that we've developed through CORAF and its partners and all the CGR centers. We are grateful to TropenTag for this opportunity to speak to the world.
Thank you so much, and we hope you have a great time.